Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Go Cinderella, orgasm blush, lipstick, thick as Scylla. Devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer.
It's me, Trinity Shawnee's, back again with another video, and today we will be meal prepping, okay? You know that clip that you just seen, the thumbnail that you clicked on, the reason you clicked on it, that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. So you make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how I did. I think I did a good job. But yeah, let's get right into this video. So today we are meal prepping, and first, I'm gonna clean off the countertop, get everything nice and clean so I can lay my fruits, vegetables, and all that good stuff up there, cut it up. You know what I'm about to do. Make sure y'all like, comment, let me know you was here, and subscribe to my channel before we get started. So I have been on this health journey for a long time, and I started cooking different meals and trying different stuff out, and I realized that meal prep works for me, and I have fell off a couple times, so I'm trying to get back in the field of it. So yeah, I'm showing y'all all the groceries I got. I'm gonna be making salad jars. I got me some alkaline water. Alkaline water is really good for you. I have this lemon and lime that I'm gonna use to put in the water for detox. I love me some kiwis and fruits and vegetables. I'm gonna be doing fruit jars, salad jars, ground turkey burgers, sweet potatoes, broccoli, yellow potatoes, and some other things, just to get back on track, meal prep, save money, stop eating out, eat something that's healthy, even though what they sell in the grocery store is not the best, but it's better than me buying fast food. So I'm just making better choices. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. But yeah. So 2 tips real quick. Watermelon is where you get your spring water, your natural spring water. I'm not sure if the grocery store grade is good. And that bread, that's the 40-calorie bread, y'all. If you're trying to lose weight and you know you shouldn't be eating that bread, get you some 40-calorie bread and that watermelon. You know about that watermelon. And you can't go wrong with the bananas because they always going to give you energy. That's why I keeps me some bananas, and I love watermelon. So I'm so glad it's summertime because I can eat a bunch of watermelon. Now these shrimp, I usually do not get these shrimp, bruh. This is not my kind of shrimp. I like they raw Gulf shrimp, just not my type. I like the raw big shrimp. They didn't have the kind I wanted, but I was just trying to get all my groceries at one place because I didn't want to go nowhere else. I was being lazy. But that ground turkey, that's a substitute or whatever for the ground beef. I really don't do that much ground turkey, but yeah. Reduced fat provolone cheese. I'm not supposed to be eating cheese, but I cheated. It's okay. It's okay. I can cut it out all over again. You feel me? It ain't no big deal. Get you some carrots too, some shredded carrots.
Push the hardest sixes. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, bitches act like they want action. Heard they want action. Bitch, we ain't talking no action. I'm about to get them that traction. Send a distraction. Then I'ma line them like fraction. Break, I let them live. Look at all them eating. But these bitches don't be mad once I call this meeting. Cause they gotta move around once the queen is queening. About to put out all this crap cause my fiends is fiending. I put these bitches on game. They should be kissing my feet. I tried to give them some press. They tried to say it was beef. It's Nikki M. Such a little gem. Bitches wanna be around me, but I do not fuck with them.
So before we prep anything, I'm going to wash out these mason jars that I got, of course. I got these mason jars from Walmart, and it was 12 for like $11.94 or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to clean out my sink. Then I'm going to soak my mason jars and, clean and disinfect them or whatever before we even prep any food or put anything in them, you know.
Like COVID when the goat is on the track, the whole game stop. But I ain't putting with these bitches, this ain't game stop. If Barbie in the building, then she with a game stop. He ain't gonna hesitate if I tell him to shake some. Just put the beauty parlor in my guest house. We mean a pink Lamborghini, that's at the next house. Fuck her so good, I got them walking with this chest out. I wish these bitches wanted more talent and less clout. I fall back and just give you some space. Cause when you already won, what the fuck is a race? Look at them fucking for raps. Oh, what a disgrace. I put that on 85, none of you bitches is safe. Niggas think get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be sucked out. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in a hot dog. Sex game still cold as on Igloo. Head game slicker than little Miss Gorilla Glue. He tryna eat it up. I said come and get it, boo. While I count a meal. Jiggle what, jiggle who.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to daily. Told him go put my name.
So, you know, the creator wanted to show her face or whatever. She wanted to show her face, show her locks. But now we about to clean up. I'm talking about clean up. We about to clean up. I'm still saying clean up. We about to clean off all our vegetables using vinegar and baking soda. I'm cleaning the lettuce, the carrots, the fruits, the vegetables. Everything is getting clean with this vinegar and baking soda. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing for the next. Everything needs to be clean, like, you know, like, cause it's food and everybody's hands been in it, you know.
Why these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. No, I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Megan. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got a bone dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy.
So now I'm just making sure my mason jars are extra dry because the lettuce be so moist that I'm just so scared about that. Y'all, food scares me so much. But yeah, I'm just drying out these mason jars, and then you're gonna see me like drying my lettuce using paper towels or whatever, because this is something that I saw my grandma do. Like when she would clean her salad and her dressing. I'm talking about her dressing. When she would clean her salad, she would use a paper towel to like dry the salad so it won't be super wet and moist when she mix it together, you know, make that big salad bowl or not.
Blue in my dresser, my bitches hustle, make money together. Yo, bitches bursting, they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo, mama, don't bring your dad to the mall, cause when he be in there, she know he be choosing. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit,
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by
So I'm halfway done with my salad jars. Now I'm about to cut up these kiwis. These kiwis were so good. Like, so good. Like, oh my God. And I love the way I cut them up, bro. They were just perfect. Do you hear me? Skin your kiwis and slice them up and eat it out the jar.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn.
I fell back, I had a baby, no. I did the mother thing, I did the white thing on that. But I think it's quite clear now. Use me, the bad guy. Hey yo, I'm the one who won the city where they armed and vicious. Accusations on them blogs and they all fictitious. I done been to really blocks, push the hardest sixes. Keep a couple killers that don't care how far them licks is. Look, just act like they want action, heard they want action. Bitch, we ain't talking no action. I'm about to get them their tractions and a distraction.
We jumping all over the place in this meal prep. Now I'm doing the sweet potatoes because I'm about to steam them or whatnot. So yeah, now I'm just cutting up the sweet potatoes and I'm gonna do my broccoli and all that good stuff.
I tried to give them some press, they tried to say it was beef. It's Nikki M, such a little gem. Bitches wanna be around me, but I do not fuck with them. All these diamonds want me funded, I hope nobody gets stuck. If I pull out the Ferrari, then my shooters in the truck. I can still go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up, it's smoking Los Angeles bud. Deep bitches biting like Joe, shout out to Kimbler though. But it's the weak bars thinking that she dissing for me. I graded your homework, bitch, is it complete? You was trying to be my son, then mission complete. I'm the final level, bitch, that you on a mission to be. It's like COVID when the goat is on the track, the whole game stop. But I ain't playing with these bitches, this ain't game stop. If Barbie in the building, then she with a game stop. He ain't gonna hesitate if I tell him to change something. Just put the beauty parlor in my guest house. You mean a pink Lamborghini, that's at the next house. Fuck her so good, I got them walking with this stressed out. I wish these bitches wanted more talent and less clout. I fall back and just give them some space. Cause when you already won, what the fuck is a race? Look at them fucking for raps, oh, what a disgrace. I put that on 85, none of you bitches is safe. Niggas they get hard soon as I brush up, but we tryna be sad dog. Whole city go up when a bitch touch down like the niggas in a hot dog. Sex game still cold as I don't igloo. Head game slicker than little Miss Gorilla Clue. He tryna eat it up, I said come and get it boo. While I count a meal, jiggle what jiggle who.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas.
Do you see them sweet potatoes though? Like, do you see those sweet potatoes? They were bomb. Okay, man. I tell you, I can cook some potatoes now. I can cook some potatoes. Okay. Anyways, next thing I'm doing is filling up my salad jars with the eggs. You know, I had to wait for them to boil before I could pack my jars. And quick tip, do not put croutons in there. Put them in there the day of you're about to eat the salad because the croutons do get soft. And I didn't know that, honestly. I'm 21, I didn't know that. But it's a learning lesson. It's trial and error with cooking and all that stuff. So
On your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year? Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit? Ay, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Megan. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing about none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks cause they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, one flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Your bitches bursting, they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo, mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be chewing. Fuck with, no, oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Megan. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing about none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks cause they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, one flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Your bitches bursting, they flocking together.
Alright, y'all. After a bunch of hours of hard work, my meal prep is finally complete. Y'all, I do not like these shrimp. Oh my God. Like, I can't even lie. I wasted them. And I shouldn't have did that. Like, I'm so wrong. I need to stop doing this. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. I be wasting some of the food. Not the other stuff, but I did. I need to get it together. I'm sorry.
Hey, y'all. So that was part 1 of the meal prep vlog. I will be doing part 2 tomorrow because I did not get to meal prep my other meal. I'm supposed to be making ground turkey burgers with potatoes. I was gonna make potatoes as french fries, but I know how they get when like they get old, so I'm gonna steam them, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow for part 2.